everyone, myself Devkumar Mitra, student of Civil Engineering Department second year, College of Tulsi Ramji Gaikwad Patil, College of Engineering and Technology Nagpur. So today we will look out the small numerical on a structural analysis. The numerical is to determine the maximum reaction on the girder. So here is the diagram. A simply supported beam under the point load 100 kN, 150 kN, 120 kN and 80 kN, and the span of beam is 2 meter, 3 meter and 2 meter, and total length of beam is 20 meter. Remaining portion is 13 meter. So first of all, we will see the lead loading of by successive span smaller than summation of all load upon span. Here is the 100 upon 22 greater than 150 plus 120 plus 80 upon 20. The calculation of this portion we get, after the calculation we get 50, and after this portion is calculated we get 175, means 50 is greater than 1.75 17.5 means true. First of all, we will find out the y1, y2 and y3. The y1 is equal to the formula y1 is equal to L minus x, or x is this portion. We will consider the x. Y equal to L means total length of span. Total length of span minus x is 2 meter. Total length is 20 meter minus 2 means 18 meter upon 20. And the y2 is 15 upon 20 and y3 is 13 upon 20. Here we will find the y1, y2 and y3. Then we will find the maximum reaction at point A. The formula for maximum reaction at point A is 100 into y. Y is equal to 1. 100 into 1 plus 150 into y1. Y1 is 18 upon 20. 150 into 18 upon 20 plus 120 upon 120 into y2. Y2 is 15 upon 20. 120 into 15 upon 20 plus 18 into y3. Y3 is 13 upon 20. 18 into 13 upon 20. And we will calculate all of the portion. We will get the 377 kilonewton. The maximum reaction at point A is 377 kilonewton is found out. And then we will find the maximum reaction at point B. Here is the formula. First of all, load reading upon successive span greater than summation of all of load upon span, total span. Here load reading of equal to 80. B from A, the right to left. We will going through right to left. First of all, 80 upon 2 greater than summation of all of load W. 120 plus 150. 120 plus 150 plus 100 upon total length of span 20 meter. Calculate this portion and this portion. We will get the 40 and 18.5 means 40 is greater than 18.5 means true. And we will find the y1, y2 and y3. Y1 is 18. Length L minus of x means total length minus of x means this portion is x minus of 2 means 18 divided by 20. Y2 is 15 divided by 20. y2 minus this portion means minus of 5 15, and y3 is 13 minus 20. And then we will find the reaction at point B. As the formula, we will go in the right to left. First of all, 18 into y1, 80 into y means 1 plus 120 plus 120 into y1. 120 y1 is 18 by 20. 120 into 18 by 20 plus 150. 150 into y2. y2 is 15 by 20. 150 into 15 by 20 plus 100. Last load is 100 into y3. y3 is 13 by 20. Hence the 100 into 13 by 20, and calculate the all portion. We will get the 365.5 kilonewton. Hence the maximum 365.5 kilonewton at point B, and we will found the reaction at point A is 377 kilonewton. Hence the maximum reaction in the girder is 377 kilonewton, because the 377 kilonewton is greater than 365.5 kilonewton. Hence the maximum reaction in the girder is 377 kilonewton. Will find. Thank you.